Our first speaker for today is Taegyun Jeon. He's the CEO at C Analytics. He's going to speak on AI-based geospatial analytics and large-scale vision model. Taegyun, the floor is yours, please.
Yeah, great to see you. Can I share my screen right now?
Yeah, I'm going to stop it.
Ah, okay.
Okay, Phil. The floor is yours.
Yeah. I will start introduce our company. And our company is SI Analytics, and our mission is to providing key solution for better decision through the Earth observation and artificial intelligence. So let me introduce myself. I was the senior researcher of the SpaceTech initiative, which is the satellite manufacturer in the South Korea. And a few years later, I decided to found new types of company for the satellite analytics. So yeah, our company is based on the South Korea, and we are the leading company for the space crew members in South Korea. And also we have strong partnership with the major satellite company like the Maxar and Planet and the Capella Space. And we serve a lot of the research and the IT services for the Korean defense and intelligence customers. So nowadays we providing much more solutions for the worldwide. So we have been recognized for the Earth observation technology using the artificial intelligence. So we recognize the major competition through the US DoD and the UNESCO's. And last year, we've been recognized as a top company of the innovative AI solutions for the water resource management. Especially, we focus on the data inequality. So I will introduce the later presentation slides. And also, we do the top-level strategy meeting to our president and the defense of the Minister of the Defense. And we do a lot of the global ecosystem with the partnership. Through the group company, we highly cooperate with the satellite initiative and Hanwha groups. And also, we have a strong partnership with the satellite image providers for the worldwide. And also, we do our business as an AI company, and we using worldwide multi-region AI infrastructure based on the cloud. And our company is highly recognized as a strong partnership with the satellite imagery provider and also a lot of the government side. So after that, I would like to mention our focusing problem and key solutions. And we provide analytics service for the various industry, especially the first priority is the national security. And the other thing is the economy, finance, and the natural disaster. And also last one is the climate change. Our slogan is very simple, the same Earth and different perspective. We divided into the Earth observation problem into two different aspects. The first one is the national security has the strong data consumer as a satellite imagery. And the right side, we have to cooperate for the worldwide into one single global partnership. So for that purpose, we would like to mention the weather and climate and the national disasters and the environment things. So to create and to overcome all the problems, so we build GeoAI foundation models. And previous AI models has the specific training data set, and that can make the specific types of the applications. But nowadays, we all see the power of the general AI capability through the ChatGPT or the lot of AI model comes from the biggest IT company. So this is the blueprint of the GeoAI foundation models. From the Earth observation data, we create the foundation model to understanding all the aspects and all the imagery from Earth observations. And we can embed in the planetary DNA, and we can apply a lot of tasks, especially geospatial search, change detections, and the downscaling and mapping and detections. So our company at last year, we build our own GeoAI foundation models. And this is the world's largest GeoAI models. The size is almost similar with the GPT-2 size, which is opened by the OpenAI. So based on our foundation model, the top performance with the key tasks like the detection and the segmentation already have been evaluated. And also, we build our generative AI product based on this large-scale vision model. And also, we continuously increase our capability and the size of foundation AI model. So I will show some problems and our use cases. The first problem is the defense. And as you already know, South Korea has the very complex geopolitical situation. Before that, we launched our own program to developing the one country's the monitoring through the ballistic missile operation area such project. So for that purpose, we consume all the national satellite and the commercial satellite and enhancing the nation area resolution through the satellite imagery and capturing some suspicious activity. These types of program can be adapted into the Middle East Asia region. So our solutions for detecting anomalous object in the suspicion region and identifying the anomaly object. And this slide shows the simple process of how we can detect and capturing the weekly change. Based on we improved all the resolution of the country-based map. And after that, we detect the key strategic asset based on the objective detection algorithm. After that, we can capture and we can highlight the anomaly detection analysis models. And also we starting operate our own commercial satellite AI centers, and we consume the world's largest and the world major commercial satellite. Nowadays, we consume almost over 300 satellite comes from the commercial vendors. So we highly provide our own near-time imagery acquisitions and distribution with the analytics. And also, I would like to mention the second problem. The Middle East is the really important region in the worldwide. So keeping the 1 trillion worth of the oil industry is really important, and make them sustainability is the keeping better incomes and the better sustainability of each countries. So for that purpose, we can regularly monitoring through the satellite imagery and keeping highlight of the where can be monitoring or where can be highlight for the high risk area. Yeah, I'll skip that. And for that purpose, we can provide a much more clear satellite imagery through the artificial intelligence. And with a strong partnership with the satellite companies, we can increase the clarity and the quality of the satellite imagery. And also, it can be much better for the human eye, but it can be also helpful for the machine eyes. After adapting our Super Expert product, and AI can be much more capturing capability. So these slides can be shows how SuperX product can be helpful for the AI detection and the segmentations. As you can be seen, from the low resolution and adapting after SuperX and almost over 200% of the AI capability is highly increased. And this is the last problem I would like to mention. So addressing the safe maritime infrastructure and maritime logistics is really important for the Middle East Asia. So for that, to monitoring the vessel and the maritime security is also important. And after that, we also would like to adapt our large-scale AI capability for these problems. And also, we highlight our climate solutions. We, based on the numerical climate models, we totally changed our AI-based model for the cloud movement and the rain and the typhoon movement predictions. So all the people have to won by the artificial intelligence and the satellite and the weather systems. So starting point is like this: the lot of the region has the lack of the radar system and radar data. That means we cannot cover all the entire globes. So we are at the data inequity situation. So our company focus on the combining all three types of the geostationary satellite from the US territory and European and the Asian. So we combine all these geostationary satellite imagery and the data, and we build one single climate information gap through the geostationary satellite and artificial intelligence. So as you can be seen, the generative AI can predict the real time and the real type of the geostationary satellite imagery, and also it can change the weather prediction and the track of the typhoon. So I will show the one real case and reveal the cases. At the last year, there is severe case of the flood, and through the artificial intelligence and our forecasting model, we can easily estimate how many rains will be at this area and how flood will be damaged by the region types. So we make the digitization of the building and the base map and the way of the flood, and we can simulate how many buildings, how many area, and which area should be recovered by the government policies. So combine all these climate solutions for the typhoon and the forecasting cloud movement and the rainfall and the precipitations can be helpful for a lot of the area and a lot of city and countries. So that's the end of my presentations. This is a new time for new era of the space industry in the Asia and the Middle East. Thank you.
Thank you, Taegyun.